Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to fix Turn on Fast Startup option missing in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If the Turn on Fast Startup option is not visible, go to the Start menu. Search for Command Prompt, CMD, or PowerShell. Right-click the top result, and select the Run as Administrator option. Type PowerCFG/H on and hit Enter to enable hibernation feature. When you enable hibernation feature with PowerCFG/H on, you are making it possible for Fast Startup to be enabled, but it doesn't automatically turn Fast Startup on. You would still need to enable Fast Startup through the Power options in the control panel. You can also use the command prompt, CMD, or PowerShell, to disable hibernation feature by typing PowerCFG/H off and hitting Enter. When you disable hibernation with PowerCFG/H off, you are also disabling Fast Startup because it relies on the Hiber file to function. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.